Hi, I'm Nancy Dell. I am a registered dietitian and certified diabetic educator. I own Nancy Dell & Associates Nutrition Counseling in Feeding Hills, Massachusetts. Today I'm going to tell you how to become a nutritionist or registered dietitian. Your first step is to get at least a bachelor's degree in nutrition from an accredited university or college. The accreditation comes from the Commission on Dietetic Registration. They will make sure the coursework is appropriate to be sure you have a good background in the field that is scientifically sound. The second step is to do an internship. It's very competitive to get an internship, but this will give you practice so that you know the things that you need to do once you get into a hospital or into a private practice, or maybe you'll just be doing some media work. And then the third thing is you pass the national exam so you become a registered dietitian. The exam is given twice a year, and then you become a registered dietitian. After that, you need to get 75 credits every 5 years of continuing education in order to maintain your registration. Now, different states may also have guidelines for you to become licensed as a licensed nutritionist or licensed dietitian, but many times the guidelines are the same as registration. So again, you have a 4-step process. Get your bachelor's degree in nutrition from an accredited college, have an internship, then you take your exam, and then you keep up your credits.